All right.
Alright, here we have our 4 capacitive plates. We're group 3. And as you can see, you can step on any one of these 4 plates, and that will change the capacitance, as measured by the LEDs on the proto board. So as I move around, the LEDs, which represent, it's 4 bits, which represent value between 0 and 15, can change to represent the amount of pressure that I'm placing on each sensor. Now these will get compared right here, and 6 bits, 4 bits of pressure and 2 bits of location are transferred over RF down to that side where the Isadone software is working. If you take a look at that, as I change my position, the lights that are transmitted are changed, as you can see, and those go through a DAC, which is a summing amplifier right here, which adds up all of the digital values and adds different weights on each to create an analog input for the MIDI interface. This is right here, and it travels up through the cable to Isadora, and so as you can see on the screen, that's one's good too.
I'm gonna pick up. Don't worry.
As you can see, so as you can see on the big screen right here, as I change my position, the Isadora software recognizes exactly where I am and what pressure that I'm stepping at. Okay, so now what I can do is I can lean between 2, and it will transmit whichever one I'm pressing on more. So as I lean heavier on the blue, it'll transmit blue. As I lean heavier on the red, it'll transmit the red. And it goes back and forth. One other thing that we can check out is if I go with light pressure. With light pressure, you can see on the screen there's a small square. As I go with a lot more pressure, there's a large square, and that's with 2 feet 7. So that's our analog signal in action. And the last thing we can do is place the advanced board on top of our sensors. Now we don't know what they are, but Isadora knows where they are. So right now, I'm stepping on plate number 3. And as I move over, I'm stepping on plate number 4. Oh, I must be on the interface between them. Now I'm close to plate number 1. And now I'm not on anything. And so, based on moving around, the dancer knows where he or she is based upon what's on the screen.